Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to Cool Tech Tips and also my first video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Minecraft server if you're a beginner, and yeah. Not to mention I'm doing this on a monitor from 1996, someone please help me. Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Alright, so the first thing you guys are going to want to do is hop over to your Linux command line. I'm going to use Ubuntu for this video. Alright, so basically there are a few things you're going to need to install before you can actually run the server. One of the things is OpenJDK. So if you look on my screen, sudo apt install. Let me just my chair, my chair sucks. So apt install OpenJDK-21-grb-headless. 21 is the newest one, so if you have like 22 or if it goes higher, then just change the number. Alright, headless. Install that if you don't already have it installed. Yep. And now you see you can run the Java command. Great. So that means it's working. Next thing you guys are going to want to install, I think it comes pre-installed on Ubuntu, but screen. So sudo apt install screen, and oh my god, install screen. Okay, and it's already installed. That will be very important later. You don't have to have it, but like highly recommend it. Like highly recommend it. Okay. The next thing you guys are gonna want to have installed is wget, which I'm pretty sure everything has. Sudo install wget. Alright. Yeah, it's already installed to the newest version too. Okay. So now that you have all that done, you want to make a new directory for your server. As you see, like this is where I want to put it, but it's empty, right? So I'm gonna make a directory with mkdir, and I'm gonna call it server, and boom, now it's there. So let's go to the server directory, and let's install Minecraft. So hop over to your web browser, type in download Minecraft server, and ignore all these ads and stuff. So Minecraft server download. Make sure you get it from Minecraft. Yeah, this URL. Okay, Minecraft.net, and this is the download link. As you see, don't worry about any of this other stuff. Just right click on it and then copy the link. So now you've copied the download link. Just go back to your command line, and then just use the wget command and install it. Wget, and then the link that you copied. Now this will put the .jar file in the directory you want in. So c server.jar. Now you can run this command to start installing the server. Java-jar, and then the file name, or the jar file name, server.jar. And now you'll see it'll run. It'll try to start the server, starting net.minecraft.server.main, and then it'll ask you to agree to the EULA, because you have to agree to the agreement. So just go list the files again, and you're gonna see it made a lot more files. It'll make more later, but it made all these files. But what I'm interested in right now is EULA.txt nano, and I nano that, and then boom, and just change it to true. And by doing this, you are agreeing to by changing the setting below to true, you are indicating your agreement to our EULA. And you can read it from this link right here if you want to see it, but I'm just going to agree. I already have Minecraft server, so I've read it and I understand it. Save it, Control X, Y, enter, and then you're going to go do it again, but this time it's actually going to start the server. So you want to do it in the screen, but first there's a few server properties I like to change. So go to nano server.properties, boom, and you can see you can change everything. You can change it, the difficulty, you can change the game mode, creative, survival, you can change the super flat, normal, you can change the server port, which I like to do. And if you ever want a resource pack, see where it says resource pack, all you have to do is just drop the link to the resource pack, the download link to the resource pack that you want. Okay, change the whitelist, but you can do that. Like, so there's the whitelist, you can change that, cut that part out. All right, so yeah. Basically, what I like to change is the level name, but I'm just gonna leave it like that. And then, let me see here, online mode, online dash mode. Search for that, change it to false. Disable that, and then I forgot what to call it. It's like secure. I haven't done this in a while because I haven't like installed Minecraft server in a minute. Secure. Oh, it's like force something. Let me find it. Not force game mode. Force permission level. Alright, here we go. So it's called enforce dash secure dash profile. Make it false. And we'll just prevent a lot of stuff from happening. Alright. Control X, press Y, press enter, boom. Now, here's the part where you make a screen. You can use screen dash S, and then what do you want to call it? I like to call it Minecraft, because you know, it's the Minecraft. And this will make like a console that you can just enter and exit. So it's not just always a console on here, unless you want to do that for some reason, which if you do, then you can just like use a screen. So basically just the same thing, go to the directory where the server is, and then just run the command again, java-jar server.jar, okay, enter, and it'll start the server. Now, it will take longer the first time, and that is because it has to create the world, and yeah, but usually it just loads the world, and yeah. Alright, so it's done, and this is the console, so I can like run commands. I can do say hi, I can ban kid, ban people, I can, I don't know what I can do. I can kick people, this is just vanilla Minecraft too. If you have mods and stuff, you can add a bunch of other commands, but that's really it in the console. Now let's say you want to exit the console, just or exit the screen. Control plus A plus D, boom, now you're back here. So you can like do Linux stuff here, clear this, but if I want to get back to my console, screen R, and then the name of the console, or the name of the screen, and then boom. I'm just gonna exit, I'm just gonna leave it up. Now I want to hop over to Minecraft. And I got 1.21.8, so make sure that you use the correct version. See, latest release, 1.21.8. Okay, so if you get like a modded server with like paper and stuff, you can get a mod that basically makes it so if you play on an older server, like with a newer client, it lets you connect. But in this case, you have to use the exact version as, you have to use the same version of the client as what the Minecraft server is. So you can't use 1.21.5 or .8 or .7. You have to use 1.21.8. Okay. So now what you want to do is add the server, and you want to add the IP of the server. And here's how you can find it. Exit the screen, type IP ADDR, and then look right here. This will tell you the IP. So that's the IP. I'm gonna copy that, go back into Minecraft, and then call it server for video. Boom. Done. And then done. And then it's gonna be at the very bottom. Ignore how many servers I have. And then where's Hypixel at? Oh, no one saw that. No one saw that. Alright, come here, and then just wait for it to connect. And boom, we are in the world. As you can see, at full ping I'm connected. And we're in our Minecraft world. Oh, goddamn bush. I don't know why I'm lagging. Oh, here we go, I'm not lagging anymore. And if you go to F3, you can see that I'm fully connected. You can see that in the top left corner, under the FPS, it says vanilla server. So it's just gonna tell you the server type. So that means that the server is vanilla, it has no mods or anything. So let me go into the split screen here with Minecraft. Okay, so let's say let's say go back into the console. Boom, and then boom. I can type, say hi, say hi, and if you look here, server hi. And if I type something like, what's up, it says my username and then the message I said. Now if I'm mad at someone, I can kick them. Boom, so now it says kicked by an operator, and if I try to join back, it'll let me, and that's because I just kicked you temporarily. So if I want to ban someone, I can do that too. Ban, I'm not gonna do it though. And then yeah, there's a bunch of other commands to stop the server. It just does stop, and then anyone playing, it'll say server closed, and now the server will be shut down. You can also change the amount of players that are allowed to join. By default, it's 20. On my server, I changed to 100. But yeah. All right, so that's pretty much it. Hope this works for you guys, and if you have any questions or if something didn't work or if I got something wrong, let me know in the comments and let me know which video I should make next. Peace.